Food Troops brings you a range of plant-based virtual cookery sessions aimed at children and families. We hope you enjoy our show. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends.
Hi, welcome to VEGUCATION, our first session with Food Troops. Today we're going to be exploring vegetables using our senses. So we're going to be tasting vegetables, chopping them up, cooking them, blending them, spiralising them and just experimenting with them to see if we like them, to rate the taste and to explore them. So first of all, guys, what I would like you to do, we've got our food troops here. We've got Nina, our food troop, got Elijah, our other food. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9
banana.
Okay. So we have got.
This is one. This is the one.
So we have got the parsnip.
Parsnip.
And that's what we'll be using to chop up today and to taste and to try things.
Oh, look.
To try raw and
There's
cooked.
9.
There was 9, wasn't there? And so we got.
I guess it's the broccoli.
We got the broccoli. Well done, guys.
I guess
Guys, can you just stop? Get your hands up a minute. And we've got the courgette. Yummy. And then looking a little bit like a courgette, we've got the cucumber. We've got banana. We've got a plum. Got, well, they're almost green beans. They're actually called sugarsnap peas.
Oh, yes.
These are yummy. And we've got a yellow pepper and carrot.
Part 1. Chopping, spiralising and blending veggies ready to be cooked. Part 2. Time to cook our veggies. Either boiling, baking or frying. We tasted what was better.
I wonder if that's why they call it sugarsnap peas.
Can I do that?
Yeah, try it. Make a snap sound.
I just need to.
Frying half to boil half of the sugar. That's why when people say, oh, they're like vegetables, and you think, but they're spiralised, they're baked, they're fried, they're boiled. There's a million different ways.
Once our veggies were cooked, we strained them and then we added tomato sauce to create our own wonderful recipe of stuffed peppers.